Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about one of the most important parts of trading, setting a stop loss. We'll walk through how to place a stop loss correctly and explain why it's essential for protecting our capital and managing our risk. Let's get started. A stop loss in trading is an automatic order that sells a security when its price falls to a certain level. It acts as a safety net to limit our losses and helps us manage risk by closing a losing trade before it gets worse, taking emotion out of the decision. For example, if we buy a stock at 100 and set a stop loss at 90, the trade closes automatically if the price drops to 90. This stops us from losing more if the stock falls to 80 or lower. Now, to guide you through the process, follow along. First, open your browser and go to Tradingview.com. Once you're on the page, go to Login Accounts. After logging in, you'll see at the top of the page the products. Click the products, and when the list appears, you'll see this Supercharts. Below the products, click this Supercharts. The Supercharts will show us all the market graphs, including gains and losses. To set a stop loss, we first need to connect our trade to paper trading. This is also called demo trading. It lets us practice trading for free without risking real money. Now, once we're logged into paper trading, we can move on to setting the stop loss. In the upper left corner, you'll see this sell or buy. Click this one. A pop-up window will appear on the right side of the screen. In the middle part, you'll see this stop loss price. This is where we set the price, so we'll be notified, or the trade will stop automatically. Check this, and you can set any amount or quantity you want. This makes sure the trade stops at the amount you set. After that, click this buy, and it will be set automatically. Setting this price helps us avoid holding on to losing trades and hoping they recover, since the exit is already decided. It also makes sure our loss on any trade stays within the risk we're willing to take. A trailing stop moves up when the price rises, so we can lock in profit while still protecting ourselves if the market turns down. That's how we set up a stop loss. Remember, losses are part of trading, but managing them is what keeps us trading. Protect our capital first. Profits come after.